place down. This is where they used to have the exotic animals, and they would have them out here so you can pet them and take pictures with them. And this is March 3rd, and it's closed down. I wonder why. It's a good thing. Really good thing.
Hi, we're Carmen.
And Terry. We're taking a break from the LA hustle and grind.
And from our work in the film industry.
To explore the world.
And for an opportunity to expand our hearts and spirits, nomadically.
Please join us on our journey.
We're so excited to share with you.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We are walking down 5th Ave this morning.
It's rare.
Very rare. Behind us, they closed down the animal place where they have the exotic animals.
Thank God.
Yeah.
That was really disturbing.
Yeah, it's always a little creepy walking past there. But
yeah, it's really. And then if they saw you with your cameras out, they would block or put away the animals.
Yeah. It was very shady.
Very shady.
So, as you can see here, I'm walking with some luggage.
We're not leaving.
We're not leaving. We're going to go do the laundry.
Yeah.
And we don't have any kind of carts out here. Like, if you want to get a cart like I have back in the States, it's going to cost you about $120.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Like plastic bins, carts, things like that. It costs a lot.
So expensive. Yeah. So I'm not going to spend $120 on a cart. Yeah. So
we're just
use my luggage. That's what's going to happen. That's what's happening. Yeah. So we're going to test out doing our own laundry here. We had it done for us a few weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, but it's 2 weeks, and we have 2 weeks of laundry now.
Yeah.
And this guy sweats a lot, so he's got a lot of laundry.
Is that what happens? Yeah.
I think that's what happened because I don't think even half of that laundry is mine. I think maybe like a quarter of the laundry is mine.
You're right. It's all me.
It's true.
It's all me.
He's the sweaty guy. So. So we had it done, and it was about $7, but that was a very small amount of laundry.
Yeah, that was probably like a pound, maybe 2 pounds.
And now we have towels and all kinds of stuff, and 2 weeks worth of laundry stuff.
So yeah, we're gonna probably do this like ourselves.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna try to find a laundromat that does that. Our manager at our apartment complex gave us the name of a laundromat, so we're gonna try that out.
So
my husband just bought me a pair of pants.
Yes, I did.
And they're really cute.
Yeah, they're like really good. So
yeah,
money well spent. I'm sure you'll see them in a future video.
Thank you, my sweetheart.
You're welcome, baby. See, these are the spoils of being my wife. You hear that? Yeah.
It's never fun doing our own laundry.
And it's too hot to be doing it.
It is too hot. And and for less than 100 pesos more to just leave it, it's not bad. And
oh, I'm up here chilling and my homeboy ride by. That's hilarious. What's up, boy? You good, man?
Hey, what up, man? Good seeing my people, man. Terry Gingles, Carmen Gingles. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Playa del Carmen, man. We out here, man. That's beautiful energy, y'all.
Yes.
So that was really weird. We just out walking from the laundromat, and the homie rolled by and say, TG.
T.
I was like, yo.
Who is that?
You know, I'm internationally known. You dig?
Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go with this guy.
No matter where in the world we go.
But the funny thing was, it was like a side street.
Yeah, it's a side street. Yeah.
It was so odd.
It wasn't even the main street.
Okay, dropping off our laundry.
Dropping off laundry. And he was getting a haircut. This everyday life here in Playa, you dig?
Yeah.
So right now we're going to go get a sausage. Oh, they're so fire.
They're so good.
They're so good.
We haven't had one. Well, I haven't had one since
2021.
Yeah, and then you had one the last time we were
Yeah, I had one
right?
last summer. Yeah.
He snuck it. He didn't even tell me he had it. We were at the beach, and he came and got one by himself.
Don't leave me alone.
I found Snickers wrappers in the garbage can the other morning.
Hey.
And I was like, when did Terry have a Snickers?
Listen, late at night, I'll be like, I need something.
2 nights in a row. Really?
That's
And during the day, he never eats bad. I'm the one. But
you don't eat bad.
no, I just eat snacks. I love sugar.
Yeah.
And he rarely eats sugar, but so yeah, that was really cute.
Yeah, I snuck that in. Well, we're right here. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys a good place to get sausage right here on 5th. It's pretty fire. This place right here called Euro Grill. The bomb sausage. You understand me? And there it is. I'm gonna tear this thing up. She put some chimichurri on there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to try that comida china, the salt pepper shrimp.
Oh yeah.
Definitely want to try that. So.
This place right here.
I know that I want to try salt pepper shrimp, and we want to try the tacos here, but they're not open
Hola.
yet. Hola.
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 How much for tacos?
You want some tacos? What do you want?
Sí.
You want them from here?
Where's Canada?
There's 3.
Right. I think I'm gonna try this one.
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind do you want?
I want carne, beef.
So you want carne asada?
Sí.
Okay.
Yes, carne asada. 20 pesos for a taco. What you getting?
I think I want to go try the little salt pepper shrimp.
Okay.
Can I have some cash, husband?
See how fast it happens?
Yeah.
Been married for a month and 3 days. And,
Oh, babe, look.
oh,
They have
steak.
barbecue.
Oh, wow. Oh, oh shit.
So I'm gonna go check out this place. They have barbecued ribs and chicken and skirt steak here. And so one whole chicken is 130 pesos. A kilo of ribs looks like 240. Looks yummy. A ranchera, the skirt steak, is 350 per kilo. That looks amazing. So anyway, all those prices are to go. So they wrap everything up to go for you. So I think it would be awesome for us to come and get like a chicken to go. And now this is the guy making my husband's tacos here. So they have like the whole chickens like what we got over in Holbox.
Okay.
And for a whole one, it's 130 pesos.
Oh, wow.
And you get it to go, they wrap it all up for you. They cut it up and they wrap it up for you.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
wanna get
And
one?
they have,
I know we got the pizza tonight.
well, we have the pizza. We still have pizza tonight, right? Okay.
Chicken.
Let's get that. What do we have? Oh, yeah, we have chicken. Oh, yeah. Okay. Carne asada.
Let's see how they
It looks like chicken, but interesting. Okay. Carne asada. Let's see. Get it together.
It's hot.
Yeah? It's a good asada?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this is the third stall down here. So it's this one. They all look very similar. They all look very much the same, but so it's the third stall down. Last time we had food at the second stall right there, and then now we're having it at the third. They look like they're putting all their pork. Looks like pork in here. Yeah, I do. So here are the stalls lined up on the street. It looks like they set up around, like 4:30, so that everybody can get going around 5, and they get really packed at night. So Terry and I ate at this one, the second stall here the other night. We had tortas, and now he's having a taco at the third stall, and those tacos are fire, super good. And the tacos are about 20 pesos per taco. which is awesome. Just a little over $1. I'm gonna go over here to the Chinese food. Now, mind you, we do want to try this place, but it's not opened up yet. We want to try this place, so maybe another night will come. And so I want to try this comida china here. And then this is the place we get our juices, and we'll grab a juice to go before we leave. We've been having one like every other day, and we get, oh, my favorite is the pineapple juice. So now we're gonna go into I'm gonna go into the Chinese food because I saw a dish that I really wanted to try, and that's the salt pepper shrimp here. So I decided not to get the Chinese food because basically I can't just get an entree by itself. I'd have to get, it's an entree with rice or noodles, and then that's 80 pesos, and 2 entrees with rice or pasta. You see the prices here, but I'm not that hungry, so I didn't want to get rice or noodles today. I just wanted to try the shrimp, but so what I'll do is go get a taco with my husband because that taco was really delicious, and I think that will satisfy my taste. Hola! So this stall gets a lot of action, this number 2 stall, so maybe I'll get the asada from here. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Un taco de asada, por favor? Sí, gracias. ¿Con cilantro y cebolla? Gracias. So I'm gonna try it from the second stall because I just had Terry's, which was amazing, but I think that, you know, it's only fair to try both. So my husband is done, so I'll have the same taco that he had over here, and we'll do a taste test. Here at this stall, you can get rice and beans, and you have like cucumbers and radishes, and they have everything like for 20 pesos.
Wow.
You can get as much as you want, but like all the other sides. This is really cool. I love it. It's with cheese and all that meat in it. That's a gringa, I think. ¿Esos son gringas? And what I did, to be fair, was I put the same salsa on my carne asada as you did.
Yes.
The green. I'm gonna try.
Pretty good.
That's some good carne asada. I kind of maybe prefer yours. Okay. But it could be that I didn't put as much salsa as you did. But the cool thing about this stall is the rice and beans and the cucumbers. Rice and beans are great. Really good. It's a good carne asada.
Okay.
And that other one was pretty good.
The other one is a win.
I can do either. The tortilla on this one, I like the taste of this tortilla.
Okay.
It tastes almost like that Trader Joe corny corn tortilla.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Good rice and beans. Fire. Mm-hmm.
For free.
That's good. So we're just out here taste testing and enjoying Mexican street food, yeah? This is like one of our favorite streets here, especially for the food and the juice. Mm-hmm. So yeah, this is like 15th and 2. So it's a
good stuff.
Yeah, where the locals are, and
we're here a little early.
Yeah. So, and I think this place is open. This street's open all night as far as like wanting some good food. Yeah, I'm gonna be So we're walking down 2nd Street.
And I had one taco from this second stall, and Terry had 2 tacos from the third stall. And I think the winner is the third stall.
The third stall is fire. The second stall is good, but it's not as the meat's not as seasoned.
And tender. I don't know what it was.
Yeah. That's but the one I went to was
yours from the third stall. The carne asada was. It looked
like
lighter.
pork. Yeah.
It looked like pork.
Like it's been but it's probably been marinating for a long
Yeah.
time. This is our favorite little street here. The thing about Playa is just like you just walk up another 2 blocks and you're like in the real part, mostly real part of the city.
Yeah.
And you're getting all the real
Where all the locals are. That's where all the locals
and
are
the
eating.
good food.
Oh, the food is amazing and it's really affordable.
Yes.
Right?
So that's what you want.
Delicious and affordable.
Yeah, you can't really beat it. So
No. It's amazing.
yeah, we're learning a lot being here in our first little week here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And this street, we discovered it the last day, like one of the last days that we were here, last time for the whole month.
Yeah. This when the day we were it was in our Porto Aventuras video.
Yeah.
From
we
last
were
summer.
walking pretty far.
Yeah, we were walking and we found this street and was like, man, wish we would have found this earlier, but
Yeah.
we found it early for this one, so
Yep. And now we're coming every 2 days to get our juice.
we get our fresh juice and yeah,
So good.
It's good.
So good.
good stuff.
And really affordable. And you do yourself a disservice if you only stay on 5th Street and eat on 5th Street.
Yeah.
Because that's totally catered to tourists and the prices are marked up like 10 times.
You do yourself and your wallet a disservice.
That's the truth.
Like only eating on Fifth Ave
Yeah.
or only shopping on Fifth Ave.
Yeah.
Like this shirt we got 2 years ago, right? Not last year, but the year before. Her shirt.
Oh yeah,
This shirt.
yes.
We got
I
Tina's
love
shirt
it.
on I forget the name of that street, Avenue. I forget the name of the street. I can never pronounce it. It starts with a C.
Constituyantes or something like
Yeah,
that?
something
I
like
don't
that. But we got it there from a street vendor, and she's still wearing it. It's pretty.
My husband bought it for me when he wasn't my husband. When he was my boyfriend.
See, fellas, that's how you win them over. Come back for more tips.
You buy them $5 blouses on the streets of
That's
Mexico.
right. That's right. That's right. Has more,
But he always wins my heart.
has more sentimental value.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too, baby.